Back again in an emoji unboxing. So today I got several packets that already feel so many. So I received so many things lately, but I'm just too lazy to open it. So I decided to it at once and try just to record it, even though it is very unnecessary, because I'll definitely complain about it since it is already quite long. So the transaction is basically already completed. Besides, it's also a cheap thing, so it is pretty ridiculous if we try to complain about it. And I just bought 3 Switch for my collection. So yeah, the Switch is 5 cents maybe. Base. It's actually kind of like whole video that people tried to build quite long time ago when during the event from certain e-commerce. Bought a lot of things in a very short amount of time. Try to unbox it, all of them. It's kind of similar. But yeah, it just pretty unnecessary, and most people can actually do this during the event because the shipping cost is with a very small amount of transaction, like regular days where you need to $5 in order to get free shipping costs, $3 to $5. So as you saw, I just tried to collect unique keycaps, which is this. I just tried to buy the second hand, but it is pretty new. Cheap, so it is a keycaps. So I hope I don't skip certain footage to censor my address. I don't know. Basically, I never really destroy the packaging completely, especially the one that has my address in it. Phone number for privacy issues. Just too lazy about it. Yeah, I will. Someday I will try to change my number, change my address instead. But to prevent any scam or problems related to privacy issues. So there's a lot of things that I bought, but in a very cheap price. So I don't know. In order to fulfill the minimum span shipping costs. So video 6 minutes. The humidifier, the cleaner for AirPods. try to get rid of the broken ones or the unnecessary. That's kind of unworthy to be reused. Even though I don't really sell too often either, so sometimes I have so many unnecessary boxing for selling things that I haven't been used. So yeah, I think that's all of this unboxing video.